Hello everyone. Allow me to explain regarding a website and building it. Uh, Here is a website I built in weeks. Why weeks? Wix is more easier than the other website where you don't need any programming code, programming language. If you are good in English, you can build it easily. And based on the organization, depends on the organizational situation and its function as well as the worker, you have to choose which website platform you're gonna use to build it. The thing is, this is the reason I go for Wix. Though I am expert in various website platform to build it, like WordPress and other website HTML, uh, but Wix is best because you can show here how the website would be, like an UX design, user experience, what would be the user experience design, what would be the inside. You can provide every information here about the customer to as a primary design, user experience design, what would be the website. This is the reason you can go and select for Wix. Wix is basically an Israel's website platform. They are truly smart. I manage two websites still. Wix. One was for Palestine educational platform, which was named Hona Al Quds. I built and helped them to build on Wix, and now here is another website which is made on Wix. So it's too easy. If you go for editing panel, you can check various thing given on Wix platform, various instruction you can go for learning, but you can learn more from the courses, Wix courses for website design. Besides this, it's easier to manage and it's easier to customize than all other web designing platform. So Wix is preferable for all kind of entrepreneurs, small business houses, or even e-commerce which are trying, still struggling for SME. They could go for Wix, personal website as well as e-commerce too, small organization too. Thank you so much for watching this. I am Sajzad, digital infopreneur, working as a digital marketing consultant and a specialist.